How to check the copyright status of a YouTube video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. But if you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how to check the copyright status of a YouTube video in just a few simple steps. But for that, you have to go to your browser because you cannot do it from the app itself. Switch to browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Then after it opens up, what you have to do is on the left hand side, after your profile, on the third option, you'll see analytics option. Tap on it and it'll show you your channel analytics. Now go to your content. Here you're able to see your video that you posted. Tap on it and it will open a wider view, and go check on the last option that mentions that looks like C. Tap on it and then here you can see that no copyrighted content was found in your video. So that's how you know. If there was a copyright content, then it would have shown here. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.